Yeah, let's take one more.
Let's take one more here,
I'll
and
do
then
one
we'll
more
do this
round, and we'll.
Hello?
We have
Hello.
Steve on the line. Are you there?
You know, boy, so many things to talk about here.
Well, you only get to do a few because we only got 20 minutes left.
Okay, well, I want to make a comment about the religion. You know, as you know, for instance, the Catholic religion, not to pick them out for any reason, but the celebration of Jesus' birthday, as you know, is similar to Mithra, and Easter is Ishtar. And they've infused these pagan rituals, and they front the religion with a Jesus cover.
Yep.
So they use him as advertising, but your actions and your works start to be pagan. And I've come to the realization that basically all the religions are actually pagan religions with Jesus on the top. But even in some of the esoteric pagan religions, they have a view of Jesus, because you can't have a Jesus without a devil. The two go hand in hand. So they acknowledge him, but they don't acknowledge him as the main God, okay? So what we've got here, it looks like is, I mean, people don't question this. They blindly follow the religion because their parents did, and they look at people, think they're happy. But the religions have nothing to do with the Bible, not to get in a conversation whether the Bible is true or not, but it's just like a stock does not necessarily reflect what the company is doing. They're independent entities. And all these religions, I've come to realization, are truly pagan entities, and that includes the worship of Jesus along with other gods.
And I would go one step further and say that the pagan religions are ultimately largely based on astronomical things like the changing of the seasons and you know, star constellations, these sorts of things, worship of the sun, which actually does exist.
The old Sunday, today's Sunday.
And I'm going to both take a step back.
Okay.
In that I wouldn't say, I think it's an overstatement to say that Christianity is just Jesus basically glued onto pagan stuff.
Well, let me ask
However, I will go a step further than Don in saying that when we trace back what we know about religions and how they're founded, yes, the pagan religions are you know, somewhat astronomical, somewhat animism, somewhat shamanism, and that all of these are in fact based on ignorance and fear across the board. And the fact that they end up being useful for controlling people and manipulating people and allowing some people who don't like to actually do any real work but would rather just sit around in a fancy cloak and collar and stuff themselves full of donuts while they pretend that they've done something to still draw a salary, yeah, that's kind of, you know, icing on the cake.
Well, I think when I say paganism, most people are going to view it as worshiping Pan and other things, because that's what we've been led to believe. That, But it's more than that. It's a bigger, broader scope. All right, I appreciate it.
Thanks a lot, George. Appreciate it. Or Steve.
That's the way you do. Money for nothing and your chicks for free. Now that ain't working. That's the way